Forno Appliances introduces you to the model 6020-30-inch electric range. The elegant stainless steel finish maintains a modern look and ensures lasting durability. There are 7 zinc-coated metal knobs, with bezel rings that will last and look great for the life of the range. This model is equipped with a night light providing a unique lighting ambience. Each knob also illuminates. The bevel-shaped door offers a unique professional look with a large viewing window. Forno ranges include a massive steel handle that complements any kitchen decor. The smooth ceramic glass cooktop has 5 radiant elements that ranges from 100 to 3000 watts, with spill guard protection. Indicator lights include a hot surface warning light and cooktop indicator. The interior stove is of speckled blue enamel finish. There are 2 telescopic oven racks with easy grip handles for easy rolling and adjustable in height. Friction-resistant door hinges ensure smooth open and closing in addition to door holding where positioned. This model has a main oven capacity size of 4.32 cubic feet. The electrical oven is equipped with a dual element for high broil temperatures and lower wattage element for delicate fish and chicken broiling. The bottom bake element is of 2000 watts. A true convection fan with a 1500 watt element effectively distributes heat throughout the oven for even baking. There are 2 interior bright oven halogen lights. Includes 1 air fry basket and 1 drip pan. You can use steam to steam clean your oven. We stand behind every appliance we design and produce, and provide an industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty. Forno, a new era of cooking appliance.